Using playing cards, no? So,
the one red ball is equivalent of 2. So it is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And then for hours element for our
okay. Kapag wala natin, any other hand? Ang dami, bisa ko pa tayo.
Ano po? Gusto nyo mag-metal po.
Okay, why?
Kasi kung metal po yung nakakunik sa akin.
Okay, at metal or what? Are they too good for you? Okay, try. Try mo nga kung maano siya na. Using the magnets, induce natin yung kanyang energy.
Gumagalaw ma.
Okay, then kailangan mo na mas magaang na object.
Bigat.
Mabigat siya.
Pwede po i-declare.
Sige na. Sige po. Pass. Okay, how about the staple wire? Staple wire. Right? Mag-word daw.
Ay, yan. Itong doble.
Padoblehin mo.
Wala kasi na pala.
Parang wala mo.
Pwede ka.
Mahalo kasi maliit yung battery.
Hangin lang akong. Dahil energy. Hangin.
Or grass, and I want you to identify the types of flows involved in these two plates. Okay, so let's have the plate function. Plate automatic, where let us identify the continental, graph the continental grass. Can you still remember the types of stress, types of force involved in this grass? Anybody? So there are 3 types of force, yes. Conventional stress, very good. So let's house. Okay. Set this new grass. Click new grass. Okay. So click automatic, then grab the continental grass. Upward. Okay. Then
Hindi. Wala ka muna. I-transfer na natin to. Ilapit mo yung dito. Hindi siya kini. Hindi mo titihin natin. Pasagit lang naman. Para ito, pinatong na siya.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Intensity 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow!